Where's Tony?
Was that? Yeah, I gotta get this car out of here. So, unfortunately, she left.
Yep.
You know,